If you grew up in the Caribbean, chances are you've seen or tasted pawpaw balls, also known as papaya balls or lime balls. But if you're anything like me and didn't really love them growing up, this homemade version might just win you over. One of the best parts about making them yourself is a chance to add your own flavorings and create a recipe that's uniquely yours. Let's make a childhood classic together. For this recipe, we are going to be using one medium-sized fully green papaya. You can use the papaya with the skin after you have washed it, or you can peel off the skin to use it. Wash the papaya and you cut them into pieces and you remove the seeds. This papaya is a little bit orange, which tells me that it's about to get ripe, but it's still good to use. It's hard, it's firm. Cut them into little pieces and you can blitz them in a food processor like I will be doing. Or if you don't have a food processor, you want to grate them finely on a grater. But the food processor gives you a finer texture. This is what the texture of the food processor gives, something that is really fine and something that you can enjoy. Into a pot on medium-high heat, we are adding our papaya pulp. We are not squeezing out any of the liquids from the papaya. We are going to allow the papaya to cook in its natural juices. We want the papaya to cook until it gets a gel-like consistency. And to help us with this, to release the pectin from the papaya, we are going in with some lime zest, and you want to use a lot of citrus when you want to release pectin. We are using some anise essence. And we are starting off with some granulated sugar, lime juice to wake up the pectin in the papaya, vanilla extract. We are going to stir this in and allow our papaya to cook in these delicious juices and flavors. The color is orange, so we are going to train the papaya to give us that green color so that when we are ready to add the real green, the color is going to come in very fast. Just about one drop should be perfect to give you a lemon yellow. Let it continue to reduce. I did not have enough sugar in mine, so I added a little bit more sugar. The amount of sugar that you will use will vary based on the amount of cups of papaya that you have. This is around 5 cups. We are adding 3 drops of neon green to this. Use whichever green that you have on hand. And this is a color that we have. We're going to allow it to continue to reduce by shaping the papaya pulp in the center of the pot and allow all the liquids around to reduce completely. Just like this. We know that it's going to hold its shape. I like to gently mold it. I like to gently mold it completely so that I know it would hold its shape once cooled. The last ingredient we are adding is salt, and salt is to balance the flavor and bring out that lime flavor and the lime taste from the pawpaw balls. This is ready and we're going to allow this to cool down completely before we roll them into balls. Examine the texture. You will also need a little bit of granulated sugar to coat the balls in. After the balls have been cooled, I am using a glove, scoop up a little bit, and you want to roll it into a nice ball. Get the perfect shape. And then you will roll it in some granulated sugar, which helps the ball to maintain its shape and to give you a really nice sugary crunch. This is what it looks like. Set that aside and let's do one more. I'm putting about 1.5 fork scoop into my hand without any glove, and I'm just going to toss it and gently squeeze as I toss. Before you know it, you will get the perfect lime ball. Coat it in the sugar and you have give it another roll and you have the perfect shape. And that's your pawpaw balls, lime balls, papaya balls ready to be enjoyed. Sweet, tangy, and wonderfully nostalgic. If you had these growing up, drop it in the comments and let me know. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.